Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the most of your weekly planner. So first up we have the breakfast inspiration, and here you can just add any images you want. So I would just go to Google search and write breakfast ideas, and I would write 96 by 96 pixels, so that makes sure that the image is square. And let's say I like this toast, then I would add this toast to my planner. So I can just make a screenshot of the square image, and after that I can add it to here. So let's say I'm going to click insert image in cell, and then I can just put the image that I've just screenshotted. And that's it. You have your image here. And if you find an image that you like but it's not a square, you can resize it on this page, and it's very easy. You just write 960 here and then resize the images. So that's all there's to it. And then once I create a view here, let's say I'm going to insert another image just to show you how it looks like. So I'm going to insert image in cell, and I'm going to choose something from my download. So let's say I'm going to choose the pancakes, and then once I have my pancakes ready, then I can choose, okay, for Monday I want maybe a bowl. So I'm going to copy this, and you can copy it by this, or you can just command plus C. As you can see, there's a shortcut here. So I can copy this, and then I choose, okay, it's for Monday. So number 1 is for Monday, 2 for Tuesday, 3 for Wednesday, and so on. Or I want it for Tuesday, let's say, and then I choose this cell and I just paste it here. And I have my image over here now. Now for this, I will need to add my ingredients. So let's add pancakes also. So I'm gonna add them here, and then I'm gonna add the ingredients list here. Usually it's at the very end. Sometimes some websites are different, but usually the ingredients are at the end before all these amazing reviews, and here they are. And now I'm just gonna copy them and I'm gonna paste them, but I'm gonna paste them special values only, so that they're not formatted in any way. If you don't like that it's going over, what you can do, you can select it and then you can choose this one, and then it's gonna be like that. So once I do that, once I select these ones particularly, then I can use my visual planner. And in my visual planner, as you can see, there's the images already here. You can change the dates here. You can choose if it's Tuesday or if it's Wednesday if you want. But also we have a weekly planner, so you can choose basically which one you like more and then delete the other one or keep them both. So in the weekly planner, I just have the images, and then I kind of, after I'm done, I can write down what I would like to keep, what I would like to change in the recipe, and things like that. So this is for breakfast. The same goes for lunch. You also can add the images here, and then you can choose what you want to eat on Monday from all these images, and just kind of change it up each week. And then once you add the ingredients, they also get automatically updated to the shopping list. So as you can see, I have my shopping list where I have different ingredients for breakfast, different ingredients for lunch, and different ingredients for dinner. And as you can see, there's quite a few of them. And one thing that you can add is you can filter it. So you can filter it by clicking this, and then, so for example, I can click here and sort from A to Z. So now it's all filtered here. I can choose the expiration date or when I purchased it. So I usually like to write down when I purchased something, so I know when it's good and when it's going bad, and kind of see what's going on in my fridge. So that's kind of a nice little feature there. And You can also add your dinner. So for dinner, we have the same thing. You know, you choose the image, then you copy and paste the image to Monday, Tuesday, or whatever. Let's say for Tuesday, then I would add the ingredients, I would add the recipe, and then I have some grocery shopping ideas. I have also a mood board, so you kind of can put your inspiration here and just put your images. And then I also have a goal tracker, so you can choose the goal that you want to track, and then you can just click on it each time you did it, and you will see a percentage of how much you were able to accomplish. The great thing about Google Sheets is that you can use them both on computer and your phone interchangeably, so that's really really nice. And if you want to make any changes for the planner, to change the color, you would just click on the cell and change the color. There's also some cells that have some lines, so you can either remove the lines if you don't like them, or you can add them in a different color, like this. To move the sheets, if you want to move multiple sheets at the same time, you can, or change the size of them, you can just select all of them and kind of add a little line to it. To add something to the planner, so let's say you go to weekly planner and you've decided that you want to add some comments, you could just add it here, write comments, and you can click on this click on this tool and then make sure that it's the same style. To delete something, you would just select it here and you would click delete rows, or you would select it here, or you would select particular cells that you want. So that's also a possibility. Please let me know if you have any specific questions that you would like to do with the planner, and I'll make sure to answer them to you.